Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm here at a Target. Looks like they put out some fresh 5 packs. All the 2021s, the Lamborghinis are here, the Corvettes. They also put out some single packs. These are all 8Ks, so I already have most of these, but I'm still going to take a quick scan to see what I find. I also found this cool Ninja Turtles premium casting. I've been looking for this one for quite some time, and I'm glad I found it. Added to my collection, so really cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna hurry up and scan through all these pegs. Hopefully I get lucky and find the super. So alright guys, I'll gonna make a quick pause and then I'll show you guys what I found. I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, so I had to hurry because a lot of people were hitting the Hot Wheel aisle, so I had to hurry up and dig through. So this is what I picked up, guys. I'm still looking for that Bugatti Divo in the Matchbox series. Let me take a quick look, see what they have. So that's pretty much it. I'm not really into these cars castings, guys, but just want to share with you guys what they have really quick. And here they have some Thomas and Friends. This Little Tykes RC wheels looks pretty cool. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. They have that X-powered dump truck. They have that nice SWAT vehicle there. They have this Tonka Jeep. They have this Tonka recycling truck. They have these Tonka construction vehicles. Here's another hauler here. Check this one out, guys. This one here has lights and sounds. Let's see here. I don't know where to hit. So, alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna bounce. See you guys later. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless. Bye bye.